Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick pear juice. So I'm going to show you the ingredients what we're going to be using for today, which is not going to be a lot, but this is just going to be a very quick recipe for you to do. Everybody, so I've got my pears. You don't have to peel them, but I've just peeled my one because they're coming out of the garden and I want to see what's going on with them, so that's why I peeled them. And we've got a lemon, some sugar, and just your water, what you're going to be using. Right, so I've got my pot on the fire and I'm going to put this on. I can put it on a medium to high heat. Then I'm going to put some of my water in there. You don't have to put all your water, but it don't matter if you put all of it or not because you're going to be using it anyway. And then you're going to be using the skin of your lemon. So make sure you get a lemon what's unwaxed. The lemon's only so that you can keep the juice for a bit longer. Once you've made this would last about 5 days in your fridge. Right, you're also going to need the juice of the lemon as well. So don't worry about the seeds or anything because those are just going to be strained through. If you want, you can just get a spoon and just take out the seeds if you want. Do that from now. So I'm going to be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so what I've done, I've just taken out the seeds because I'm going to be blending this, so I've just taken out the seeds. So if you're going to do your lemon, you can just do it through a strainer, just to save a bit of time. So I'm going to add my pears to that. So you can quarter these, just check for any imperfections and just take those out. So you can do these in halves, or you can quarter them, or however you want to do them. And just check if you're using pears from your garden or anywhere, just check them. Just make sure you ain't got nothing in them. My bowl is full up. So you just want to get that in, your pears in. So these have just been peeled and washed. That's my oven just going off. So you're going to be cooking these until when they're really soft. If they're mashed out, don't worry about it. So I'm going to do this and I'm going to be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so we've got all our pears in now and our lemon zest. So we're going to put our sugar in. The sugar is just to keep it for a little bit longer if you're not going to use it straight away. If you're going to use it straight away, that means you've got to cool it down and everything, and then get it chilled and then use it straight away. But the sugar just keeps it for a little bit longer along with the lemon. If you see your pears are going black, don't worry too much about it. It just means that there's a lot of iron in them. We're just going to let this simmer away until the pears get to the consistency, see what we want. So just going to leave that, and I'll be back with you once it starts bubbling and softening up. Right everybody, so we've got it down to where we want it. Our pears are just about soft, so they're going to be easy to blend out. And we're going to turn off our heat now. I'm going to let this cool down. Going to let this cool down for about half an hour or so. If you want to get out your lemon zest, you can do that now. Just have to go through it and see where your lemon zest are and get those out if you want to get them out now, or you can wait till when it cools down a bit more. Don't want to be blending this with the lemon zest. And you want it to be cool when you're blending it. Right, so I think that's all the lemon zest out now. And another little bit. So we're going to leave this. I don't think there's any more in there, so we're going to leave this for about half an hour or so. Let it cool down, then we're going to blend it out, and then I'll show you the juice from it. So see you right back then. Everybody, so we've got our juice cooled down, and we've got the rest of it are poured in with the rest of our water so that it's a bit cooler. I'm going to put some of this into our blending cup. And we're going to blend it down and then sieve it through the sieve to get all the bits what we don't want out of it. So we're just going to put a little bit more in, about that much, and fill it up to the level with the juice. Down on the level, and then we're going to blend this out twice so it's really smooth. So I'll be back with you when we're ready. Right, everybody, so we've got it blended out. As you can see, it's going to come up pretty thick, so just going to pour some into here. That's how thick it's going to look. So you just want to get that sieved through. So you can put some of your juice water in there to thin it out if it's a little bit thick. Right, and put the rest of this in there. So that meanwhile I'm sieving that through, I can just be getting the next batch going. So we've sieved this out in two blends. So you can pour the juice in there as well. Put the other juice. I'm just going to let this blend out meanwhile I'm doing that one. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so we've got this, just going sieving this through. So all you're going to have left is just your bits what you don't want. So that's the bits what we don't want out of the first lot. And then that's your juice what you got, which is just pure juice. I'm going to put this in a plastic bottle, this first lot. At this point is the point for you to taste it and see if you need any more sugar in there. Just going to blend this one out again. Right, so we've got our second lot now. We're going to just sieve this one through as well. So I'm going to do this and then I'll come back to you. Right everybody, so we've got the rest of it through the strainer. Giving it a good stir, so I'm going to show you what it looks like in a glass. You can see. So that's what it looks like in the glass. As once it cools down right down to temperature, it's going to thicken up a bit, so remember to shake the bottle before using it. Shake the bottle well. So that's what it looks like in a glass. I hope you'll enjoy this one. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to see us do anything else, just let us know in the comments section and we will get back to you on that. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. Thank you.